Good day po ma'am, for verification lang po, ano pong name at birthday po nila? Okay po ma'am.
Ako po si Elia Sandra P. Patalinghag, isa po akong student nurse galing pong Calamba Doctors College, and ako po ang mag-a-assist po sa inyo ma'am today.
So ma'am, meron po kasing order po si Doc na kailangan po natin gawin yung procedure po ng catheterization. So, bago po pumasok dito, dinala ko na po lahat ng equipment at kit na kailangan po kalaman nyo yan. And then bago po pumasok dito, I already washed my hands thoroughly. Medyo sikip po yung space po namin. So, I will stand na lang po sa left side po ni patient. So, next, i-assist ko po siya sa dorsal recumbent position. Dapat po ay naka-flex or naka-bend po yung knees ni patient and then 2 cm apart. And then, dapat po ay naka-flat po no, yung kanyang talampakan para po maiwasan yung discomfort during the procedure.
Draping is crucial in catheterization because it creates and maintains a sterile field around the procedure site, protecting the patient from contamination and reducing the risk of infections. Ask patient to lift her buttocks and slide waterproof pad under her. We wear clean gloves before cleaning the perineal area to protect both the patient and the healthcare provider. It is for the infection control. The perineal area is close to the urinary and gastrointestinal tracts, which harbor bacteria. Gloves prevent transmission of microorganisms between the patient and caregiver. Also, gloves act as a barrier against exposure to body fluids, such as urine, feces, vaginal secretions, and it reducing the risk of skin contact and contamination. Clean the perineal area with washcloth, skin cleanser, and warm water using a different corner of the washcloth with each stroke. Wipe from above orifice downward, towards sacrum or front to back. And then lastly, remove gloves and perform hand hygiene again. Next is prepare urine drainage setup if a separate urine collection system is to be used. Secure the bed frame according to manufacturer's directions. Open sterile catheterization tray on a clean overbed table using sterile technique. Putting on sterile gloves before handling sterile drapes is a critical step in a septic technique to prevent surgical site infections. The main reason for this sequence is to create and maintain a sterile field. Ask patient to leave her buttocks and slide sterile drape under her with gloves protected by cuff. Place a fenestrated sterile drape over the perineal area, exposing the labia. Discarding the first dollop helps protect the patient from infection. The first portion could carry microbes or debris from the cup or nozzle. How to do it properly. Open the jelly tube without touching the tip. Squeeze out a small amount onto a paper towel or waste container. Then squeeze the next portion onto your sterile glove, equipment, or sterile tray. With your uncontaminated dominant hand, place the drainage end of the catheter in the receptacle.
Tayo, sabayan niyo po ako. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Guys, nagawa ko yung balloon. Ito yung specimen container, di ba? And then dito po, kuha tayo ng sample. So, lagay lang po ito ulit. And then, kuha tayo ng 10 milliliters na urine. Yan. Tapos, lipat natin siya dito.